WMHC, the network of the Westport Museum for History and Culture, in partnership with CT Bites, presents the History Happy Hour, part of Westport Museum's Historic Foodways programming, in support of the hard-hit Connecticut restaurant industry. This series offers you history you can drink to via the talents of Connecticut's best bartenders and mixologists. Please support their establishments. Today's cocktail is the Old Fashioned, a 200-year-old cocktail made popular in the 1960s. In the early 1800s, a cocktail combining strong spirits, bitters, and sugar was called a bitter sling. It was revived in the 1860s in a bartender's guide as an old-fashioned cocktail. The version of the Old Fashioned as we know today, specifically featuring whiskey, sugar, bitters, and lemon peel, is credited to bartender James Pepper at Louisville's Penn Dennis Club. Pepper took the drink to New York's Waldorf Astoria Hotel, and it remained popular during the Gilded Age and into the 1930s. Old Fashions were served at society parties and clubs, like Westport's then private Longshore Clubhouse, before losing popularity. During the 1950s, in towns like Westport, where ad men commuted to work in Manhattan, the Old Fashioned got a new life, as portrayed in the popular television series Mad Men. And now, the Old Fashioned, with Fairfield's Barcelona Wine Bar.
Hi guys, my name is Brittany from Barcelona Wine Bar in Fairfield. I'm the bartender here, and what I'm going to be making is an Old Fashioned today. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to first add 1 scoop of the Love Starter cherries, making sure I get a little bit of juice in 1 cherry with that. Then I'm going to add 1 scoop of the sugar, it's about a tablespoon. And then I'm going to add 1 peel of orange. And what I'm going to do with this is twist it to make sure I get all the oils out, and then I'm going to rim the glass as well and drop that in. And then I'm going to add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And then I'm going to muddle this. Make sure that all the flavors incorporate together real nicely. Okay, so once that's all muddled, I'm going to then add 2 ounces of the Redemption Rye whiskey. Okay, and then I'm going to add some nice chunky ice to this as well. And you want to fill that all the way to the top. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and just lightly shake it back and forth just to incorporate all the flavors into the whiskey. And there you have it, an Old Fashioned. Cheers.
Thanks for joining us for this week's episode of the History Happy Hour, where you can raise a glass to the past. For these recipes, music, and more, visit virtualhistorywestport.org. Join us next week when we highlight the Bijou, a jeweled tone cocktail from the Gilded Age.